about a little bit more animal spirit medicine today? The scorpion. Passionate, competitive, tends toward isolation, and for good reason. People think the scorpions are bad. They think Scorpios are bad. Or, Scorpios. Jezebels. Or magic. The Key of Solomon type stuff. It's okay. I'm telling you, it's okay. Come with integrity and truth, and it's okay. The time to be afraid of such things is poppycock, and we need to get to know the laws of nature again and get intimate with reality and not be afraid of it. The scorpion is a passionate and determined creature. Their career is very important to them, as are a few select friends. Sometimes the scorpion's heat festers and they focus on unresolved events from the past, usually situations where they were left feeling burned. Because they're actually really good, and people don't deserve to be burned, oftentimes. The Scorpion wisdom says it's time to come clean about your feelings so everyone can heal and you can get back to your usual fiery but fun self. When you're in balance, wild and free and fierce, to bring into balance honesty and forgiveness. And you may have to call some people out, completely just speak the truth. And you may have been hiding the truth for a really long time because honestly you're embarrassed that they behaved that way and you wouldn't want them to get hurt because you're that good of a person, but then you find out that they're going around trying to get you to look like you're some evil villain or witch or demonized, possessed person, all because they fucked around and found out from their own debauchery. And so you'll find yourself at a point where you're gonna have to just say what they did so that you can clear your own name. Because if you don't, that person's going to continue to make you their patsy or frame you for things that they did in the past just so they can spiritually feel like their hands are clean, so that they can make believe that something bad's not going to happen to them, when really everything comes back around full circle. The seeds we sow, you may get away with it for a little bit, but the truth always grows. It's always growing. And no matter how many people you recruit to believe the fantasy that you create, the harder you're going to fall in the end. And the people that you've driven into isolation because they just can't trust the people that they thought had their back, it leads people into isolation because they feel like they can't trust anyone. Well, there comes a time when those people are going to get to speak up for themselves and tell everyone why they are how they are. And then it'll all make sense and just completely backfire on the people that you were actually doing them a solid by keeping your mouth shut all these years. So I know someone needs to hear this message right now because these are archetypes that are playing out right now in the world. And I know someone can resonate with it. Even if it's your parent and you've been keeping your mouth shut because you kind of are embarrassed and you feel sorry for them and you don't want them to get hurt because you know deep down they're just wounded, and that's why they behaved the way they behaved. But they may not be changing, so keep them at a distance during these times, and know that they're going to try to gaslight you and make you think that everything's all good, even though they probably tried to unalive you a few times. I'm not kidding. And who knows? I'm just channeling this. But these are archetypes that exist in the world, and it's time that the truth is exposed, even if we love the people that the truth is coming for. Have a good day. Happy Scorpion season.